What is this?
I've got stuff to do, Jamie. I was knocking down there for 5 minutes. Okay?
What are you talking about?
Check it. I wrote this. All right, so here's what happened. I turned my beat into a ringtone and tried selling it door to door. You can buy it for all your friends too. Your grandma, your uncle, your dog. I know he like it. That's right. 99 cents all it's gonna take.
We thought the car was messed up.
That is the worst thing I've ever heard.
And you can get this on your phone for 99 cents.
Okay, I like it.
I made this.
I like it. I like it. I ain't gonna buy it, but I like it.
That's not even music.
I mean, it was nice and everything, but...
I'm working Jerry Springer. I gotta go.
I am very selective with my customers.
Okay.
Which is why I'm putting my ringtone on the internets.
Ah, which is why you broke into my house. Okay, now I'm with you. So are you explaining that to the cops or am I doing it for you?
Alright, okay, that's not good, man. Alright, I'm sorry, dude. Alright, okay, I can't go to jail again. My mom's gonna kill me. I will do anything if you can get me out of this, alright? I will do anything, dude. Okay, you can have the first copy of my ringtone.
Really?
Well, for 99 cents. I know, I can see it in your eyes, you want it. It's the best beat ever made on this planet. I just spent 30 seconds and I came out with this crap, man. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, come on, pay up.